Review. Usage experience. In this video, we're reviewing StreamYard, a powerful browser-based live streaming platform that makes it easy to create professional quality broadcasts. Links to the product are added in the description below. Whether you're a content creator, business professional, or marketer, StreamYard offers a seamless way to go live on multiple platforms without needing advanced technical skills. One of StreamYard's biggest advantages is that it runs entirely in your browser, meaning no downloads or complicated setups. You can stream directly to YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch, and other platforms simultaneously, saving time and maximizing reach. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, with an intuitive dashboard that allows you to manage guests, share screens, add overlays, and customize branding effortlessly. StreamYard is designed for multi-person streaming, allowing you to invite guests via a simple link, no accounts or installations needed. The free plan supports up to 6 participants, while the paid plans allow up to 10 guests and remove the StreamYard watermark. The branding customization is another highlight, enabling you to add logos, banners, backgrounds, and lower thirds, making it perfect for businesses and personal branding. The platform also offers recording capabilities, letting you download and repurpose content for YouTube, podcasts, or social media clips. The screen sharing feature is great for presentations, tutorials, and product demos, while pre-recorded streaming allows users to schedule and stream previously recorded content as live. Another great feature is live comments, where you can display viewer messages on screen to boost engagement. However, StreamYard has a few limitations. While it's incredibly easy to use, it lacks advanced production tools found in software like OBS Studio. Additionally, video quality is capped at 720p on the free plan, with 1080p available only on higher tier plans. It also requires a stable internet connection since all processing happens in the cloud. Overall, StreamYard is one of the best tools for simple, professional-looking live streams. It's perfect for podcasters, entrepreneurs, educators, and businesses looking for an easy way to go live with guests and branding. If you want a hassle-free streaming experience, StreamYard is an excellent choice. Check out the links in the description to try it out today.